Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today are the Flameless candles. They've received 4.6 out of 5 stars and over 10,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. So let's take a look at the Flameless candles. They come in a 6-pack and get some inspiration picks from Amazon. Transform your space with the cozy glow of Flameless candles, the perfect blend of ambiance and safety. These realistic flickering candles bring all the warmth of traditional candles without the worry of open flames or melted wax mess. Ideal for homes with kids, pets, or simply anyone looking for a low-maintenance decor option, Flameless candles are versatile enough to elevate your living room, bathroom, or event space. With remote-controlled options and adjustable timers, you can create the perfect lighting mood every time, worry-free. Embrace elegance and peace of mind with Flameless candle decor. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.